Supercharge your kidney health with these 6 proteinuria-fighting foods. Unlock the secrets to kidney health right from your kitchen. In today's video, we're diving into the top 6 foods that are powerhouses in the fight against proteinuria. From everyday ingredients to unexpected heroes, discover how you can bolster your kidney health and transform your diet into a kidney-supporting regime. Stay with us as we reveal these incredible foods that not only enhance kidney function, but also supercharge your overall wellness. Your journey to better kidney health begins now. Get ready to revolutionize your kidney health in today's video. We're uncovering what proteinuria is and the pivotal role diet plays in kidney wellness. Explore superfoods like blueberries, spinach, red bell peppers, garlic, cabbage, and fish rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Discover their amazing benefits for your kidneys and learn delicious ways to include these powerhouse ingredients in your meals. Don't miss out. Embrace these transformative dietary changes for a healthier life. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell for more nutritious discoveries. Proteinuria, marked by excessive proteins in urine, often signals early kidney issues, indicating that the kidneys are struggling with their waste-filtering functions. Recognizing and addressing proteinuria promptly is crucial for maintaining kidney health. Early intervention can significantly enhance the management of kidney function and prevent further complications. By monitoring and managing proteinuria, individuals can take proactive steps towards ensuring their kidneys remain healthy and efficient in processing bodily wastes. This proactive approach is essential for sustaining kidney health and overall well-being. Diet is fundamental in supporting kidney health. Choosing the appropriate foods can alleviate pressure on your kidneys, enhancing their efficiency and helping to prevent additional damage. A well-selected diet ensures that your kidneys aren't overburdened, promoting their long-term functionality and health. By focusing on kidney-friendly foods, you can assist your kidneys in their crucial role of filtering and eliminating waste from the body, thus maintaining overall health and well-being. This strategic dietary approach not only supports the kidneys, but also contributes to a balanced and healthy lifestyle, ensuring that your body's filtration system works optimally. Superfood number 1, blueberries. Blueberries are a nutritional dynamo, brimming with vital nutrients while remaining low in calories. They offer an excellent source of vitamins C and K, manganese, and dietary fiber, promoting robust heart health and efficient digestion. These small berries are also rich in antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which help combat oxidative stress and inflammation, potentially reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Their low-calorie content makes them an ideal snack for maintaining a healthy weight, making blueberries a versatile and beneficial addition to any diet. Blueberries are incredibly beneficial for kidney health due to their high antioxidant content, particularly anthocyanins, which help reduce inflammation and protect against tissue damage. These nutrients aid in improving kidney function and can help prevent issues such as urinary tract infections. Additionally, their low potassium and phosphorus levels make them safe for those with kidney concerns, supporting overall renal function without overloading the kidneys. Incorporate blueberries into your breakfast cereals, smoothies, or enjoy them as a healthy snack. They are versatile and easy to include in any meal. Superfood number 2, fish high in omega-3. Fatty acids, salmon, mackerel, and sardines are abundant in omega-3 fatty acids, crucial for sustaining both heart and kidney health. These omega-3s help reduce systemic inflammation and lower blood pressure, both of which are crucial for minimizing stress on the kidneys and enhancing their function. Regular consumption of these fish can aid in preventing kidney-related issues and support overall cardiovascular health. Incorporating these into a balanced diet not only boosts kidney health but also contributes to a healthier lifestyle. Omega-3 fatty acids play a crucial role in reducing proteinuria and slowing kidney disease progression by enhancing heart health and diminishing inflammation. These beneficial fats improve cardiovascular function and decrease inflammatory processes, which can stress the kidneys. Regular intake of omega-3s, found in foods like fish and flax seeds, helps protect kidney function and prevents the advancement of renal conditions, thereby promoting a healthier renal system and overall well-being. Serving suggestions: grill, bake, or steam these fish to make delicious meals that are both nutritious and kidney-friendly. Avoid high-sodium marinades and opt for herbs and lemon juice for flavoring. Superfood number 3, spinach. Spinach stands out as a nutrient-dense vegetable, teeming with essential vitamins and minerals while maintaining low potassium content, which is particularly beneficial for kidney health. Its rich array of nutrients supports overall well-being, and the low potassium ensures it's safe for those monitoring kidney function. Regular inclusion of spinach in the diet can help sustain kidney health and contribute to the optimal functioning of this vital organ. Spinach is excellent for maintaining healthy blood pressure levels, thus easing the workload on the kidneys. It is loaded with antioxidants that aid in detoxifying and cleansing the kidneys, supporting their function and health. By including spinach in your diet, you help your kidneys operate more efficiently while protecting them from potential damage. This green leafy vegetable is a vital component for overall renal health and can significantly enhance kidney performance. How to use spinach. Add spinach to salads, smoothies, or sauté it with garlic for a healthy side dish. Just be mindful of portion sizes, as too much spinach can contribute to kidney stone formation due to its oxalate content. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell for more nutritious discoveries. Superfood number 4, red bell peppers. Red bell peppers, with their low potassium levels and robust flavor, are ideal for a kidney-friendly diet. They bring vibrant color and satisfying crunch to meals while offering substantial nutritional benefits. These peppers are an excellent choice for those managing kidney health, enhancing dishes without compromising dietary restrictions. Incorporating red bell peppers into your cuisine not only spices up your meals, but also supports your overall renal wellness with their health-boosting properties. Red bell peppers are loaded with vitamins C, A, B6, and folic acid, essential for detoxifying the body and lightening the load on the kidneys. These nutrients contribute to reducing bodily toxins, easing the strain on renal functions. Including red bell peppers in your diet not only boosts overall health with their rich vitamin content, but also assists in maintaining optimal kidney performance, making them a valuable addition to a kidney-conscious nutritional plan. Serving suggestions. Incorporate red bell peppers into your diet by adding them to omelets, salads, or as a stir-fry ingredient. They're also great grilled or stuffed. Superfood number 5, garlic. Garlic is celebrated for its multitude of health benefits, notably its positive impact on kidney health. It functions as a natural diuretic, aiding in the elimination of toxins and preventing their accumulation in the kidneys. By incorporating garlic into your diet, you can promote better kidney function and detoxification. This not only helps maintain kidney health, but also enhances overall well-being, making garlic a powerful ally in your nutritional arsenal. Garlic is known for its anti-inflammatory properties and its ability to decrease creatinine levels, offering significant benefits for individuals with kidney concerns. By integrating garlic into your diet, you can help alleviate inflammation and improve kidney function. This makes garlic a valuable dietary choice for those looking to support renal health and manage conditions associated with elevated creatinine, enhancing overall wellness and kidney performance. How to incorporate garlic into your diet. Use garlic to flavor dishes instead of salt, which is often restricted on a kidney health diet. Garlic adds a robust flavor to any meal, from soups to pasta dishes. Superfood number 6, cabbage. Cabbage is an excellent choice for kidney health management due to its low potassium and high fiber content. It's also economical and versatile, making it a practical addition to various dishes. Incorporating cabbage into your diet can support renal function while fitting easily into a budget-conscious and diverse culinary routine. The phytonutrients found in cabbage are effective in neutralizing free radicals, thereby reducing oxidative stress on the kidneys and aiding in disease prevention. These natural compounds help safeguard renal health by minimizing damage and enhancing the body's resistance to various ailments. Incorporating cabbage into your diet not only provides nutritional benefits, but also plays a crucial role in maintaining kidney health and staving off potential health issues. Serving suggestions. Enjoy cabbage in slaws, salads, or as a steamed side dish. It can also be fermented to make sauerkraut, which is probiotic-rich and good for your gut and kidney health. We love hearing from our amazing community. If you have any health-related questions or natural remedies you'd like to know more about, don't hesitate to drop a comment below. Whether it's about a specific health concern or a natural solution you've been curious about, we're here to help. We're committed to providing you with accurate and helpful information, and we'll make sure to answer your questions within 24 hours. Engaging with you and helping you on your health journey is what we're passionate about. So go ahead and share your thoughts. We can't wait to hear from you. Incorporating these 6 proteinuria-fighting foods into your diet is a delicious and effective way to boost your kidney health. From the anti-inflammatory benefits of blueberries to the detoxifying properties of cabbage, each of these foods offers unique benefits that can help manage proteinuria and enhance your overall wellness. Remember, taking small steps to adjust your diet can lead to significant health improvements. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips and nutritional advice. And if you're serious about supercharging your kidney health, start adding these powerful foods to your meals today. Let us know in the comments which one you'll try first, or share your favorite kidney-friendly recipe. Your kidneys work hard for you. Return the favor with nourishing choices.